Phil Huber from Woodsmith magazine, and a cordless circular saw is found in just about every garage and basement across the country. And it's a great tool because of its compactness and how versatile it is. However, you need a way to be able to guide it straight, and that's not easy to do always. Thankfully, you can convert a tool like this into a precision, accurate tool with just a simple kit. It's called the TrackSawGuide from Milescraft, and what it does is it includes a base plate that attaches to your saw. We'll get to that in just a second. A couple of pieces of track to do the direction finding, and a couple of clamps to secure it when you really need it. Now let's show how easy it is to put on. What you'll have is this setup block here. It hooks over the edge of a bench or a tabletop, whatever you have. Then you're going to hook your base plate right on to that setup. Now what you want to do is align the blade with this edge here so that the saw is going to cut straight. I'm just going to slip this into place here. A couple of end stops on each side that cradle the base plate of your saw. So with this locked in place, now I can flip these little toggles around and secure the base of the saw to my base plate. Now when I bring the track in place, the track and the base plate fit together seamlessly to guide the saw in a straight line. There are glide adjusters on the side that you can set so that there isn't any wiggle room on there, so you know that each cut is going to be dead on straight. Now what you're going to want to do, the first thing is to fire up the saw and make a cut down the edge, and that's going to create a zero clearance line right here. That does two things. It's going to prevent chip out, and it's going to show you exactly where the saw is going to cut. So all you have to do is align the edge of the track with your cut line, and you know that you're going to be making accurate cuts. Now that I've upgraded the saw, I want to show you how easy it is to work with. And for the most part, a great application is turning large sheets of plywood into project parts. Now you want to do that accurately. The other thing that you want to do is make sure you don't cut into your really nice workbench. So what I've done is supported the plywood sheet on both sides of the cut with a set of these tri-grips. They're rubber coated blocks that will raise up the workpiece so that it's above the surface of your workbench, yet still giving you full support. I've marked my cut line on the plywood so I can bring in the track in, line it up with that line, and since we cut the edge of the track, I know exactly where the saw is going to cut. And there we go. The track is grippy enough that it's not going to slide around in the cut, and now I'm ready to make accurate parts. The TrackSawGuide is ideal for working with sheet materials like plywood and MDF. But there's other types of woodworking applications you can put it to use for. For example, I like working with rough sawn boards here where the edges aren't perfectly straight. You can use the TrackSawGuide just as you'd expect with the plywood. This time I just separated one of the pieces, laid it across the board on my cut line, and then sliced it down to the length that I needed. So with the two pieces of track joined together again, I can line up the cut just like we did before, and then I'll set the saw in place and make the cut. All right, well there we have it. Nice straight edge on this board, and I'm ready to put it to use for my project parts. Now, the TrackSawGuide from Milescraft transforms any cordless circular saw, or any circular saw for that matter, into a precision tool, and it's a great tool to have for all of your home improvement and woodworking needs.